All right, folks, this is Kyle from Vehicle Identification Specialist. We're going to do a couple upgrades here on the old Jeep Wrangler. These, no good. Getting rid of them. We got some hard slots holders there, and we're going to put in some window buttons with some color to them. Compliments to the folks over at the Diamuki store on Amazon. And yeah, they sent us these pretty cool side slots here for the doors. We'll put those together, and we got some red window switches. So let's get this stuff bolted in. Step one, alcohol wipe that comes with this kit. You know, wipe all the contaminants off these buttons, and then we'll dry them. We want a good surface for our adhesive to stick to. So we want to get in here and clean all any oil from fingers and that kind of stuff is going to keep from the pad sticking to this. So, all right, then we'll just dry them off with the supplied wipe here. Comes with very detailed instructions. I just happen to not be showing you the directions. These button covers, push them on, hit them with the old heat gun, and then let them sit. All right, so actually the 3M stickers are already inside of these. Those are extras that they gave us. I've heated up both old button and new cover with the heat gun. Place this firmly in there, like so. This gives your interior just a little extra color. And just throw a little heat at these things. It's about 45 degrees out today, so you don't want to do this when it gets cold. Throw some heat at it and make it stick a little bit better. All right, let's continue on. All right, there's the finished product, folks. If you want a set of these, just go to the Diamuki store on Amazon, and that's Diamooky. They got a lot of accessories for Jeeps in there. These are like $19.99, free shipping through Amazon. You can get different colors and all that kind of stuff. But if you use the promo code, discount code VIS code 10, that's VIS code 10 for 10% off on your Amazon order for these items. All right, folks, we got these door pockets steel. Man, this is nice material, powder coated. We're getting rid of those flimsy nets in the Jeep door. All we got to do is screw these together with the supplied hardware, and then we'll go put them on the Jeep. All right, there's our final install, finished product. Very easy. They just slide in tabs here, and you replace the original screws on the bottom. You can leave the original net inside there, but for a cleaner look, I chose to cut it out with a razor knife, and it turns out really good. Remember to use discount code VIS code 10. It's VIS code 10 for 10% off on these items in Amazon.